Sir, may I ask you something about English?
Of course, Joy. What do you need help with?
I've been trying to understand idiomatic expressions, but they're so confusing. Can you explain how to master them?
Idiomatic expressions. They can be tricky but also fun to learn. Let's start with the basics. Do you know what an idiom is?
I think so. It's a phrase where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words, right?
Exactly. For example, it's raining cats and dogs doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. It means it's raining heavily.
Oh, I get it now. But why do native speakers use idioms so much?
Good question. Idioms add color to language and make conversations more engaging. They're also deeply rooted in culture.
How can I learn them without feeling overwhelmed?
Start small. Learn a few common idioms at a time and use them in sentences. For example, break the ice means to start a conversation in a social setting.
So, if I meet new people, I can say, "Let me break the ice" by introducing myself?
Perfect! Another way is to group idioms by themes. For example, learn idioms related to time, like beat the clock or around the clock.
What does beat the clock mean?
It means finishing something before the deadline. For example, I managed to beat the clock and finish my assignment early.
That's useful. Should I memorize idioms or focus on using them naturally?
Memorizing helps, but using them in daily conversations is key. Practice with friends, or even use them while writing.
Sometimes, I hear idioms in movies or songs. Should I note those down?
Absolutely! Movies, songs, and podcasts are great sources. Write down any new idioms and their meanings. Then, practice using them.
What if I mess up the meaning while speaking? Won't that be embarrassing?
Don't worry about mistakes, Joy. Everyone learns by trying. Even native speakers mess up idioms sometimes.
That's a relief. Can you share a few more fun idioms?
Sure, hit the nail on the head means you're exactly right. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret. And bite the bullet means to face a difficult situation bravely.
These are great. Let me try using one. I'll bite the bullet and start practicing idioms daily.
Spot on, Joy. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll sound like a pro. Remember, mastering idioms is a journey, not a sprint.
Thank you, sir. I feel more confident now. I'll start listening to podcasts and using idioms in my conversations.
That's the spirit. Keep up the good work, and let me know if you need more help.